Hello! In front of me I have Haylou Smart Watch 2 and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First we need to open the Haylou Phone application on the phone that is paired with our watch. In the app you should see the home screen. Now tap on the Me icon and here select the Haylou Smart Watch 2 from the list of devices. On this page, scroll all the way down and tap on the Unbind button and then tap on Confirm. The watch should disappear from the list of devices right here. Now we can close the app and also the watch should reset itself to the factory default settings. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.